Foodpanda. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you remember this video, then congratulations, you'll be watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. If you don't know about this video, that's alright, because I'm gonna just tell you all a little bit about what happened in my previous video. Mari gave me this bag of gifts and I promised I'll be doing a haul on it, so here you go. Hi guys, I'm back home and Mari wants me to open this while filming, so I'm gonna do that. Cut this thing off. I don't have the scissors. Oh wait, it's literally in front of me. Okay, she bought a lot of things. It was for my birthday, but oh, I'll show you. Wow, there's like cake. She told me that she put 2 Oreo cakes. And this is the best. I'll show you guys. What's this? Tell me who you got, by the way. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh. She gives so many things. This bag looks so cool. So I got it for you. Oh. This is better. She got so many straws for me. Wait, is this straws? What's this? Oh no, wait, it's hooks. It's hooks. The packaging that came with this broke. It's alright. I like it. Wait, I should be showing you guys in a different angle. Okay. Music notebooks for you to study. Oh, what's this? Lipstick! Oh my goodness. I wanted lipstick. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, what's this now? These aren't real. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna open them for you guys later. Wait, what is this? Oh, nail polish corrector. What's this? She gave me so many random stuff. I like it. What's this supposed to be? Let's see. Oh, my birthday gift. Ifly. Oh, that's given by Ifly. Aw, that's so sweet. Well, that was a bit messy, but let's redo this again. So, oh, she got me 2 cakes. She got this bag for me. She said it looks cool. Oh, I thought she meant the plastic bag, but she meant this bag.
啊，有死头配的，而死头皮的。
Wait, let me open it. So cute. Oh, this is adorable. It can become a sling bag. I love sling bags. Just very info. Not bad. The space is like, I feel like it can fit a lot of things compared to my other bags. Okay, so inside the small bag, she gave this too. It says, couldn't find a box for this, so there. I feel like it's another ring. Oh my goodness. It's like necklace. I don't even need to shop anymore. This girl, my babe. This is connected. I think this is how you wear it. I wanted this kind of necklace so badly. Let me just wear it now. The shirt I'm wearing isn't that nice, but thank you, the bear. the bear. This one is this earrings. It's like wings. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Gosh, I love her taste. Her taste is like my taste. It's just, she's so good at choosing stuff from online. Next is this. Fake glasses. It's so pretty. I look like, I don't think I suit glasses. It's weird with the necklace, but these glasses are cool. I feel like I'm gonna wear them. And I probably will because she gave it to me. Okay. I changed my angle. I think it looks better now. And next one, okay, I'll just show you guys this because she got me a bunch of yarns, but it's not here yet. And I just told her to just give me the things. Yay, she got me a bunch of hooks. She got so many straws for me. Wait, is it straws? Next one. I'm gonna show you guys this lipstick. Got it from Miniso, I think. Ooh. Oh, it's so red. It smells like those, bit like essential oil smell because it says that essential oil as well. Yeah, and the last time when I bought 2 lipsticks, I accidentally bought the other one the same color as the one before, so I don't actually have a red lipstick or like a slightly pink one, so I'm glad she got me this. I didn't apply that much, but you can see the difference, right? I think I'll open this. Okay, if I open this wrongly. Oh. This is how you do it? Wait, what's this supposed to be? Nail polish corrector. Wait, am I supposed to use this if I make my nail polish wrongly? I think so. It's okay, anyways, this is kind of cute. I'm gonna use this next time. Okay, show you guys the notebooks because I need notebooks, man. Okay, so this goes here. Show you guys this by Evelyn. She gave me this water thing. It's kind of cute, like. Ooh. I'm just scared it comes off. I don't know what is this supposed to be. Can I use it for like my period? Then you know, place it on the stomach. Is that what it's supposed to be? I don't know, but it's nice. It's so stress relieving. You guys need to touch this. It's just I'm so afraid that I'll break it and the water might splash. Okay, stop. That's enough. Oh! I'll put this there, and she gave me this pen, which is pretty. And inside, there's this pop-it that she made, so it doesn't. Ooh, okay, like that. Yeah, something like that. It's kind of cute. My book just fell off, but whatever. Thanks, Evelyn. Love you. I just like how she got me a bunch of things, and every one of them comes with a note, which is so adorable.
What is a boyfriend?
Okay, next one. I'm most excited to wear is this checkered shirt. Let me find the note. Matchy vest. Checkered vest. It says matchy vest because why not? Whoa. It's really comfy and it fits me perfectly. It's not too long or too short, but I noticed that maybe tucking in will be nicer, so I just tuck it in. Yeah. Now I'm pairing it with the necklace that she got me because it fits the shirt perfectly, you know. Last but not least, this little clip that my other friend gave it to me to match with the whole outfit. So thank you so much. I don't know what's with the accent, but last but not least, this cute little stuff. I can't believe she got it for me. Like, this is her favorite thing, you know. Okay, let's open it. Watch me open it. Right. Okay, I'll open it elegantly, okay? Oh.
I'll open it elegantly, okay?
Okay, it's alright. It's just a top. What we want most is what's inside. So okay, wait. So these are the things inside. Can it focus? Let's see which one I get. Oh. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. I love how the hair looks like that. Like angry face up here. It's so cute. I love the eyes. I wish I had blue bright eyes, like baby blue eyes like this. Okay, so turns out I got the Jet Boy. Yeah, I got the Jet Boy. Aww.